Hey there guys, this is Mr. Rustler. I know we're not quite back to school yet, but I want to give you a brief reminder and a quick recap of how to log on to the yearbook program. For those of you who are new to the program, this will be a good way to refer back in case you forget how to log into your account. Those of you who are returners, in case you forgot, well, here's a quick way to remember what to do to get logged in the yearbook. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to walsworthyearbooks.com. I have that pulled up. Most of you will have a bookmark on your page to bookmark that, but if you have not done that already, make sure you click on walsworthyearbooks.com to get there. Then over on the right hand side, you'll see this login tab. It's blue. When you hover over it, it turns black. I want you to click on that login, and I'll give you a login. You don't have a login yet, but I'm going to use mine to get you accessed in here and give a quick reminder of what we're doing, and then we'll be off and running for the yearbook year. So you put your username and password in there, hit login, and it should bring you up to a screen that looks like this. You'll see your members only, and we are in the 1920 school year, and there are all the information that's for us, including our membership ID and all that. So make sure you have you're in the right current year. Okay, we haven't done anything yet because it's early August, but you'll see all this information change. But the big thing is, once we get to this point, you want to hit on the link called Online Design. Click on that, and it should bring you some blank pages. And for those of you who are returning, this looks very familiar. Those of you who are new, there'll be lots of instruction coming in the next few weeks on how to monitor through this and how to get through all this work. So there's just a quick way to log in. We'll get much more detail as the school year goes on, but for now, that's just a quick reminder how to log in to Walsworth Yearbook.